My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you tip number 3 on how I keep my skin looking and feeling young at 50 plus. I'm 52, in case some of y'all are new to my channel and don't know that. And for those of y'all that have revisited my channel repeatedly, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Welcome back. So today, for tip number 3, I am going to be applying a mask. So there are so many things that we can do in order to keep our skin looking and feeling young, no matter what age we are, and it's never too early to start. I didn't really get started until I was probably in my 40s, so I would recommend to all of y'all young ones who are in your 20s, even your teens, to start now taking care of your skin, whether it's by using a sunscreen or a moisturizer, or any little bit that you can do is going to help you when you get old like me. So anyway, today, like I said, we're going to be applying a mask, and I think I showed it to y'all in my e.l.f. haul, and it's this one right here. It's Collagen Hydrogel Gold Mask. So we're going to be trying this. This caught my eye because it reminded me of that scary movie. When I was buying all the e.l.f. makeup, this caught my eye. So they had lots of different choices. It wasn't very expensive at all. I think it was $1 or $2. So I'm going to read a little bit about it for you. It says for all skin types. It says it's a skin tightening elasticity intensive mask. The front packaging says a hydrating gold gel mask loaded with collagen and gold will help hydrate and revitalize dull, fatigued skin while detoxifying the impurities in the skin to give an overall glow and life to the skin. Who doesn't need that, right? A glow and life to aging skin like mine. So I'm going to read the back of it now. It says, it's by Maskology. Here's what the back looks like. So, okay. It says, the Gold Hydrogel Mask is formulated with natural ingredients such as gold and collagen. The Collagen Gold Gel Mask penetrates deep into the skin to give real results in just 20 minutes. The gel mask hydrates, softens, and detoxifies the skin while helping in blood circulation, minimizing pores, ooh, I need that, and diminishing fine lines and wrinkles. Doesn't that sound like what we need, especially at our age? So yeah, it gives you the directions right here. It says, use as often as desired as a regular part of your skincare regimen. Use immediately after opening. And then after that, it just basically shows you pictures on how to use it. So we're going to just go ahead and follow these directions. So I wanted to also, before I open it, because like it says, once you open it, you have to use it immediately. So I wanted to let you know what I'm wearing on my eyes. I don't have any face makeup on at all. I have washed my face already. And in a minute, I'm going to apply a hot towel just to open up the pores to let the mask really soak in even more. But I wanted to let you know what I'm wearing on my eyes. Remember I told you that I was going to do a makeup look using all of the eyeshadow palettes, all the quads that I had bought from e.l.f. Let me get them out. So I had bought these 3 right here, and when I did the e.l.f. full face look, I used this one. Well, today I have this one on, and this one I believe is called Golden Goddess. So that's what I have on my eyes right here. So okay, so that's what this look looks like. It's very natural looking, I think. You don't see it very much, but I kind of like that. So if you would like me to recreate the look, just let me know down in the comments below. And I'm wearing the e.l.f. matte lipstick that I showed you in my haul as well. And this one is in the color Praline. So it's kind of like a brownish color. Not that crazy about it, but it goes pretty well with the eye makeup. Okay, so let's just get started. I'm gonna go and get a hot towel, put it on my face to open up the pores so that this mask can do its job and minimize those pores. Alrighty, I'll be right back. Okay, so here's my towel, and you can see the steam coming up. Can you see the steam? Ooh. Maybe not, but there's steam coming up off of it. I need to let it cool a tiny bit. What I did is I went and ran it in the faucet with hot water, but then I put it in the microwave for like 15 seconds, so now I need to let it kind of cool off so it doesn't burn my skin. Don't want to do more damage to my skin, right? Hot water really dries you out, but the mask is going to reverse whatever drying the hot does. All right, so let's put it on. I don't want to put it on my eye makeup, so I'm just going to dab it. Oh, it feels so good. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my goodness. Made my skin red. Can you see that? When I used to be a manicurist, I used to do this. I used to get the towels wet when I would do pedicures and manicures, and I would go put it in the microwave and put it around their legs after I had massaged it with lotion, and after massaging their arms with lotion, and I would just wrap their arms in it, and oh, it felt so good. Okay, now that we've done that, my face is clean, and let's try this. Okay. Okay, so here it is open. Ooh, it's slimy. Very, very slimy. I hope it fits my face okay. So here's what it's looking like. It looks plasticky. It feels like, it smells heavenly though. It smells really good. Okay, what do we have going on? Woo, it's slimy. Look, it's dripping. It's dripping slime. Ah, look, I'm gonna let it drip so you can see that it's slimy. See? Yep. Let me put this towel on my lap. Okay, so how does this go? Okay, so here, I guess this part you take off and throw away, the white plasticky part. I'm gonna put that aside. And then there's another plastic coating that it had. And so you're left with this. Take out the eyes and stuff. Okay, so let's put this part on. Woo! Ooh-wee. So there go my eyebrows because it's not matching up with my face. So my eyebrows are going to come off too. Ooh, my nail just punctured it, so it's really soft. Wow, it smells so good. Let's scoot it up. I have a little face. I have a little head and little face, so definitely want to get it around my eyes because those are my problem areas. There. Ooh. So nice. Okay. And you can actually see gold. You can see little gold flecks. It's so awesome. Okay, so there's the top portion. It's going on my hairline, but that's okay. Okay, so there's that. Now there's a separate bottom portion, just so y'all know in case you're curious. And this one will go on my lower half of my face. Okay, so let's try to match this up. It's so slimy, it's hard to hold on to. Okay, there we go, it's on. Gonna smooth it down. Oh my goodness, feels so good. It's sliding down my lips. Stay on my lips. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Okay, well I guess that's as good as I'm gonna get it on. Let's get it on. Okay, it keeps wanting to slide down my lips. Why? Why do you want to slide down? Don't slide down. Okay, I'm going to try to get a picture really quick for the thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to have to probably keep lifting this up because keeps sliding down. So I'm going to get my phone and start the timer for 20 minutes. 20. Right there. Hit start. Here we go. Alright, so I'm just going to hang out, maybe start reading a new book. I just finished a book called 2 by 2 by Nicholas Sparks. So I just finished that. Hey, this gives me a little bit of a tan because it's gold. Alright, so I'm just going to hang out here, maybe go start a new book, or just sit right here with my lap, with my computer, and answer some comments and stuff. Okay, I will see you in 20 minutes. I can't smile. Okay, we got 5 minutes and 49 seconds left. I just got done doing a little snap on Snapchat, and I did a little video for Twitter, so you might want to go check those out. So, all right, we got 5 minutes and 28 seconds. I'll be back. It's actually tingling, feels really cool. Okay, time's up. It's been 20 minutes. Yay! Let's take this off. All right, so it says to just peel it off and discard. So I'm gonna get my trash can here, my itty bitty little trash can, and take this off. So here's this. Gonna just throw that away. And here's this. Throw that away. And it says no need to rinse off. I just read the packaging while I was sitting here for the 20 minutes. It says to just massage this into your skin. Ooh, and then just leave it and go on with your day. Let it dry, and then you can put your makeup on. Ooh. I actually feel like I can feel it's not like when you use apricot scrub, but it almost does feel like there's little gold flecks on my skin because it feels a teeny bit grainy, but not really. Just, yeah, I don't know. So I'm hoping that if I use this regularly, that it'll show some kind of results. I've never tried this mask, like I said, but the reason I'm calling this tip number 3 is because I do use masks, and masks are very helpful in tightening up the skin, tightening up the pores, and just exfoliating and just uncovering fresh new skin. And so anytime that you can uncover fresh new skin, that's going to keep you looking fresh and young, even at 52 like me. So yeah, this is one of the things that I do on a regular basis. I have other things that I am going to show you, so you'll have more tips coming soon. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. This was a lot of fun, and like I said, this was only like $1 or $2 at Walmart. And yeah, there was lots to choose from, but I liked what this said. It said tightening and elasticity and minimizing pores, detoxifying impurities, and overall glow, and it helps to remove the fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, awesome. Alrighty then, now I am going to go ahead and put on some makeup and get on with my day, change my clothes, and yeah. So let me know if any of y'all have tried this on a regular basis and if it's worked for you, or if you're planning on trying it. I can't tell you for 100% that it works. I just, like I said, this is my first time trying it, but I know that masks do work. So whichever mask you decide to use, I know it's going to be very helpful for your skin to take off all the weathered, dry skin that we have because of life that we live out in the cold, the wind. You know, and now with winter over and summer and spring coming, let's remove the old skin and uncover the fresh new skin. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Bye! Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.